Welcome to IamWoke. I'm your host, Emelina Calder. In this video, we're going to jump into an Akashic Records reading for the Ascension updates for March. Dear ones, we come to you now as the Ascension Council of Leadership in the Arcturian and Lyran Light Collective. We are here to present an offer to you as you are ascending through the many portals that will be opening at a rapid, fast ascension pace through March. We wish for each of you to be balanced and in complete harmony as you jump through these portals, for they will show up with much, we'd say, chaos and fire in the process, and we wish for you to remain in your ultimate state of alignment and balance so you can calmly walk through all of your ascension portals, which will look very much like opportunities. They will look like you releasing that which no longer serves you, which can be, we know many of you won't want to hear this, but it can be career changes, it can be shifts in relationships, it can be jobs, it can be financial status. These things will just be triggers for you to begin to awaken into your ultimate reality, which is to understand what it is that you are here to create in this life, in this world, in this now moment, and to begin actively pursuing it and taking action, moving forward in the action of what it is that you wish to create. And we wish for you to do this in a very calm, centered fashion. So when things start jolting into your reality and showing up as circumstances that you may not prefer, we wish for you to see them as opportunities, dear ones. For you are in active state of balance and alignment. And once you realize that the chaos is not something that needs to live internally within you, but that you are in a shielded bubble and that the chaos can happen, and we implore you to allow the acceptance of the chaos to be outside of you, to see it, to wave at it, and realize that it's not yours. It is your responsibility to just take care of yourself, to be in complete, utter divine alignment within yourself, to be in balance within yourself. If we were to assign a term to March, we would call it March Madness. This is not for you to project and to see all of the issues and concerns and worries that you could be engaged in within the chaos of your external world, but it's more that we wish you to know and receive that there is going to be a lot of fast movement, a lot of energy that will be projected and in whirling patterns in your reality around you within the collective. And it is going to be of utmost importance to you to remain and to be in your inner state of alignment and balance in every now waking moment. As you find your own inner alignment in every moment, every day, you will be able to perceive what it is that is your reality, to perceive your own preferences, to create from those preferences, and to move into action based on your own preferences, rather than on all of the chaos in your external world, dear ones. The practice that we wish for you to receive is every day to handle just that day. Do not project into the future. Don't project into the past. Don't project onto all of the things that can go wrong. We know many of you are so exercised in your ability to understand what exactly precisely can go wrong, and you have so much fear around trusting yourself, trusting the inner faith and inner guidance that things can be extraordinarily easy for you. Dear ones, we wish for you to know just how easy things can be. The fact is that the alignment will come in waking thoughts and patterns that you'll catch that will feel very subtle. They'll feel very easy. You'll all of a sudden just be like, I wonder if it could be that easy. That would be easy. If it's easy, that's something that you can trust, dear ones. We implore you to trust the ease, trust the effortlessness. The divine is not looking to make your life difficult. It is not looking to give you tumultuous actions that you have to jump through hoops in order to get what you want. Source consciousness is channeling through each and every one of you, every moment of every day, looking to help you to find what it is that is ease. As you find the easeful thoughts, those are the thoughts that you can trust. The thoughts that are good are the thoughts that you can trust. The emotions that are good are the emotions that you can trust. And anything that is not in alignment, we wish for you to feel and process and move through as quickly as possible. You'll find this on a moment-to-moment basis. We know, dear ones, that it is not what you would call sexy, but it is the moment-to-moment process that will bring you into alignment, that will keep you in a steady state of balance and inner certainty, that will allow you to move forward as the storm. Instead of the storm being around you, you will be the storm that is pursuing what it is that is in your passion, that is pursuing the passion of joy, that is pursuing the passion of bliss, that is pursuing active alignment, that things can be far easier than you've ever imagined, dear ones. We would suggest that every morning, as you wake up, that you pray to your honorable ancestors and you ask for divine alignment, that you pray to get out of your way, that you pray to receive the blessings that are to be bestowed upon you, dear ones. There is much treasure that we would dump at your feet. Everything is coming to you. The universe is dumping the treasure at you, and we wish for you to receive it. You will want to pray pray to know the things that you don't know to ask for. You'll want to pray to receive the things that you don't know to ask for. You have much guidance and support in the spiritual realm. Many of your ancestors are just looking for the permission to step in to begin organizing and helping you to receive that which you've been asking for. A simple ask to your spirit guides, to your higher awakened self, to help you sort through all of the mental frequencies, to find the frequency of clarity, to find what it is that you want, to know with utter certainty what it is that you want to perceive, what it is that you want to receive, what it is that you want to create, what it is that you want to experience. Clarity around what it is that you want is what many of you are asking for. And you're receiving your divine insights and guidance through the experience of living in your external world, through sorting and sifting through thoughts, sorting and sifting through emotions, sorting and sifting through projections. But we wish for this process to be far easier for you. Every morning as you awaken, ask for the clarity. Ask for the thoughts to be pre-sifted for you. Ask for your ascension partners in the spiritual energetic realm to help you sort and sift through your own mental thoughts so that you can come into clarity on the ones that would be of the most alignment for what it is that you're going to want to create and receive. And then from there, allow the actions to be guided. Allow yourself to flow through your day. We wish for you to take this on a moment-to-moment, now-moment process. As you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, pull them back. Decide that you can think positive thoughts. Start to think them. Just reverse the thoughts. Repeat this over and over again. Trust the good feeling thoughts. If it feels good, it is good. If it feels good, it's in alignment. If it feels good, it is to be trusted. This is a moment-to-moment process through your day, dear ones. This is the work at this time. It is bringing yourself into complete, utter alignment, both mentally, physically, and emotionally. As you catch yourself feeling more low vibrational negative thought patterns, low vibrational negative emotional patterns, we wish for you to work them through in whatever process is in the most alignment for you. Feel the emotions, allow them to process through. Don't stuff them back in your subconscious. Don't stuff them into your body. Feel them through, because once you feel the lower vibrational emotions, the higher vibrational emotions will present themselves to you. And then you'll be able to feel those feelings. Feel the feelings of joy and bliss. We wish for you to saturate yourself into the feelings of joy and bliss. Find things that cause you joy and activate them. Every day when you have a moment where you're like, that would be joyful, that would make me happy, do whatever you need to do to engage in that thing, those aspects of yourself that would bring you joy. Whether it's watching a YouTube video, whether it's reading a book, whether it's engaging in a fruitful conversation with a friend. Bring yourself joy. Activate the joy. Allow yourself the joy through the permission of being able to feel, the permission that is to feel good. And through this process, this moment-to-moment process of every day through the month of March, you are going to be focused on thinking well of yourself, thinking in terms of certainty, that things must go well for you, that everything must go well for you, that things must be working out. And then you'll be feeling the feelings of the joy. Focus on the joy, dear ones. If you focus on joy, everything else will come forward. All of the intentions that you've set forward for the life that it is that you want to create will more effortlessly be tossed at your feet through your active awareness around your decision to activate joy, to feel joy, to be in partnership with joy. Whatever things bring you joy. And for those of you that have packed schedules and packed days and you feel that you can't fit it in, we would suggest to you that you can fit it in. That you can fit in 5 minutes of joy, that you can fit in something that would give you that level of practical awareness in this way emotionally, that you can set aside 5 minutes for yourself 3 times a day, that you can decide to engage in bliss, in joy, and higher levels of ascension and awareness through your own emotional process. That joy can be very simple. Those of you that are rushing to go get coffee, that joy can be you sitting down and having that coffee and being present with your beverage, with yourself in that moment, and say, these 5 minutes are for me. These 15 minutes are for me. I'm going to focus on feeling good right now in this moment. This is a daily practice, dear one. You can take any of the practices or rituals that you already have in your waking reality and turn them into joy-filled practices where you are centered, where you are in alignment with who you are, where you decide that in that moment that you are going to be conscious and aware in the moment, to give back to yourself, to be there with yourself, to be your own best friend. We wish for you to receive the divine guidance that is coming to you and for you, to make these portals of ascension very easy for you as you're walking through the month month of March. As we are speaking to you now, we are downloading codes and activations into the light frequency that is going to be disseminated and distributed in a subtle fashion through your own energetic fields to make it easier for you to process that which you are going to be receiving, to make it easier for you to maintain your own inner alignment, your own inner balance as you move forward through this month. And from that state of balance, you'll realize just how easy life can be, how effortless things can work for you. Your ascension process at this time, dear ones, is to remember. It is to be in remembrance of what it is to be yourself, what it is to have things fall at your feet, what it is for things to be very, very easy for you, what it is to be outside of resistance of yourself, your own waking thoughts, and others. To realize that if others are pressing up upon you, that they don't need to actually interject into your current reality, that you can have complete acceptance, that everything is as it is and everything must be perfect, and the chaos of the situation must be perfect, whatever the situation is, whatever the environment is, and that you are in your own state of alignment in your own bubble. We are coding each of you in a bubble. We wish for you each to see yourselves in a blue, energetic bubble where you cannot be affected by any other reality but your own. And to feel the safety and the security and the certainty and knowing that you are protected in every way, shape, and form from everything around you, and that you can be in your own little bubble. And that maybe other people will be like, what is going on with them? Why is that working out so well for them? They look like they're in their own little bubble because you are in your own little bubble, dear ones. And we wish for you to engage in a practical way, knowing that that bubble is you and that nothing can touch you that is not meant to serve you. As you move through each of your ascension portals through this month, you'll realize that it is setting the pace for the trajectory for the rest of the year. This is a very important time, dear ones, for the actions that are taken, the insights that are activated at this time are going to be setting the pace and the standard for the entire year, which is why we want you to be so focused on your alignment, so focused on your inner balance, so focused on allowing turmoil to be outside of yourself, not within, because you are setting the pace for the year. This entire year can be easy for you. It can be effortless for you. You can receive much success. There is so much each and every one of you wishes to receive, and we wish for you to receive it this year. And this year will be on fire. You're going to be receiving many codes and activations throughout the entire year that are going to be built upon the process that is this following month, that is the month of March. And we wish for you to remain in total balance so that you can create from a place of knowing in certainty what it is that you want and that you must have it and that it must be easy. Trust the easy thoughts. Trust the good thoughts. Move forward in alignment. We would implore many of you to set aside time to journal in the evening, to dump the thoughts that aren't working for you, and to then activate the thoughts that would be better, to activate the thoughts that would serve you more. What if things could be easy? What would that ease look like? Create intentions for yourself. Create prayers for yourself where you pray to receive the things that you want. Create a list of the things that you want. And then when you're done with that list, say it's done. Put an X on each element of what you've asked for and say it's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Every evening, it's done. It's done. It's done. It must come. It's already been done. It's already complete in the energetic world. All of my ancestors, guides, supported loved ones, ascended masters are helping me to activate and reach the things that I most want. It's done. In alignment, another step you can take is to forecast, to project yourself into December and to feel what it is that you want to feel. Who do you want to be at the closure of this world, of this reality, of this year? And to decide what things will go well for you, to decide what that alignment would look like for you, and to decide that it must be done. And then to trust the process and the day-by-day moment, the moment-to-moment process. Trust the process of the alignment. Once you decide what it is that you want and you know that it's done, you will be led forward, dear ones. It is a natural process. You don't need to continually search for where it's being led. You are naturally led. Your flow is naturally led. Your impulse is something you can trust. We know this message will reach many of you in a perfect place. We wish for you to perceive your own ascension practice as easy and to dedicate the time and space and awareness to reeling in your thoughts and emotions on the day-by-day basis. Take this one day at a time, for to take one day is to take the whole. If you can maintain your balance in one day, if you can gain clarity in one day, you can maintain your balance and gain clarity for the entire year. We wish you well. We are here in support. Feel free to reach out to us at any time. Feel free to reach out to your ancestors, your guided and loved ones that wish to help you through this process. At this time, our message is complete, dear ones. We wish you an active awakening and ascension and process where your consciousness grows with effortless ease. As always, I hope you guys love this video. If you loved it, please give it a good thumbs up below. Remember to subscribe and tap that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future energy updates. I'd love to hear from you below as well. Please tell me anything that you're going through during this time and this month, any energies that have been coming up for you. And if you're interested in reading your own Akashic Records and becoming your own guru and really trusting in your own source of internal guidance, knowing how to move forward with ultimate clarity, I'm gonna leave 2 links in the description below. First, I have a free Akashic Records 70-minute workshop and 6 video training that I would absolutely love to send to you so that you can begin to jump into your own Akashic Records and get familiar with the frequency and expand your consciousness in an easy way there. And if you're interested in diving deeper, I have the Akashic Records immersion program that I open up once a year, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can enter the wait list to know when I open up enrollment, and I'll send you a special promo code. Love you guys so much. Enjoy this month, and I'll see you in the next video.